girl looks good. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Hey yeah, yo. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Nizzy and we're coming to you live from the NsyDija XO headquarters. Right, so today I'll be showing you guys how to do a sleek ponytail, you know, like yeah. And Dija and I will be showing you guys most of Dija do, but you know, I pitch in sometimes because we're gonna get it here. But make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. Yeah guys, we're almost at 2,000 subscribers, so tell your friend and so and so, don't know. And follow us on Snapchat and Instagram. Everything is listed in the description box below, so
I like the way you work it, no diggity. Bag it up. I like the way you work it.
so guys, we'll be starting off with freshly washed hair. Or no, lies. This is me here actually a scream one for wash, but me not gonna wash it because I want to go to gym. I just not think we need to waste my time and wash it and then it's get all back. Yes, so very dirty hair. The Aussie instant freeze gel spray bottle, this coconut oil, Proline coconut oil. I first messed it actually. Brush, a comb. Where comb there, Dija? Show the people what a comb looks like. Comb and Tokyo cologne here. Oh. 2 packs. Guys, me really would always think I did cologne, but like they switch up on me though. They switch up on me. Tokyo cologne. You have one nice ring to it. Anyways, let's get started. Dija, take over. Dija, take over.
Okay, so as you can see, Nizam here is very tangled.
Very.
So I'm going to try my best to use the comb and straighten or comb the sections that I want to get as flat as possible. Just going to take a rubber band to hold it in place for now. Spray bottle.
At your service. Don't make you mess up the makeup.
Okay. Ratchet tutorials.
Right? So we're trying to get it as flat as possible, so we're brushing it, right?
Yep.
There we go.
So now we're just going to take some coconut oil for that shine. Some gel
to hold it in place, because when we put it at the top of my head, right?
Yeah.
We're putting it at the top of the head. I mean anywhere that you want it to be. It can be at the back, you know, but I like it to be at the top, so we're doing it at the top.
So now we're just going to take a rubber band, scrunchie, whatever, and hold that in place.
Way you work it, trunk tight all day, every day. You're blowing my mind, maybe in time, baby, I can get you.
Boom. Now to detangle the ends.
No diggity, bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity, bag it up.
So because this have like really thick hair, I usually take some of her hair from like the back of the ponytail If your hair is not like thick, you don't have to do this. It is optional. If you have thick hair, then this would be better to have a more realistic ponytail. So take this section and basically just wrap it around. So take a bobby pin or an elastic band to hold that in place.
All the time, can't get it out of my mind. I think about it every day.
Now we're going to take the
The Tokyo color.
So it looks like this. It's very thin. It comes with an elastic band in the middle, so don't take that off, leave it on. Just put it around here. Now section your hair in 3 because we're braiding it. So I'm going to take some gel.
Yeah, no diggity. Bag it up. Bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity. No diggity. Bag it up.
So take the extension section that's in 3 also. 1, 2, 3. Grab the extensions with your hair, line them up. And just start braiding as tight as possible.
Or however you like it. Because some people like them. Some people want the hair like really loose. I like mine tight.
Okay, so like I said before, NSYBOO hair is really thick and the extension is not as thick. So as we go along, it gets thinner. So what I like to do is add more braid to it.
Yeah.
So we're just going to add braid. Put it at the back so it doesn't show that you added more hair. And if one section is thicker than the other, just borrow. Okay, so to add the hair like this, just put it at the back and just add it to like the 2 end pieces. Yes. Add it to the 2 end pieces. It's easier that way. And like I said before, if the middle piece is too thin, just borrow hair.
Can't get it out of my mind. I think about it every day. East side to the west side, pushing fat rides, it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash, fast when it comes to the gas. By no means average, it's on when she's got to have it. Baby, you're a perfect 10. I wanna get in, and I get down so.
So now we're at the end. I'm going to use a rubber band, hold it, cut it blunt. But if you want to continue plaiting it out, that's up to you. This is how I like it. This is what the end looks like. I'm just going to take my scissors and cut off the flyaways.
Get it out of my mind. Think about the girl all the time. Can't get it out of my mind. Think about every.
So guys, Dija got my baby girl them. So we can look like one proper 2017 bitch.
Why are you stressing me out?
Way you work it. I like the way you work it. Way you work it. I like the way you work it.